Here I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to set up this device. So basically let me show you how to activate, how to configure this smartphone. At the very beginning you need to choose your desired language. Here you should find the full list of available languages that you can use on your device. You can also here change some vision settings, for example the font size. Here you can also use emergency call. So if you are ready, tap start. You can connect your device to a mobile network by using a SIM card, but you can also do it later. For now, let me tap skip. Here you have to decide either you would like to copy your data from your old device or you would like to set your device as a new. In my case, let me have a fresh start. Now the device is scanning the Wi-Fi networks. So it's a good idea to connect your device to a network because you will have a couple of interesting features available if you have the internet access. So let me connect my device. The device is checking for updates. Here you can sign in into the Google account. It's not necessary, you can also tap skip if you would like to bypass this step, but I usually recommend having a Google account added to your device. So you can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. So let's activate the keyboard, let's enter the password and the email. So let's start with the email. Alright. Tap next. It's time to enter the password. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree to the following terms of service and privacy policy. Let's wait a few seconds, the device is getting account info. So here you can unlock your device with a fingerprint. Let me tap skip. Choose not now to protect your phone. You can do it later in setting. You can also skip unlock with face. Here you've got a couple of Google services. You can back up to Google Drive. You can enable help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled. Tap agree. Let me tap skip to Google Assistant. Choose no thanks to the following options. And here let's tap next. Let me allow support center. Tap skip to e-warranty. Choose finish. Tap finish again. And that's it. The home screen pops up. So everything went well. Now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.